All right, now let's talk about the course curriculum. What's actually in store for you for this particular course? So I've divided this course into higher level modules wherein we'll talk about Salesforce architecture, which would be a theoretical side of work. Then we'll look into the classic and lightning experience. We'll understand how the org structure works and how security works on it. We'll talk about roles. We'll talk about public groups. We'll talk about org-wide sharing settings and all of that. We'll look into users and profiles. We'll look into permission sets. We'll create an application. We'll create some custom objects. We'll look into standard objects. We'll configure list views, page layouts, record types. We'll build fields and relationships. And then on the data level, we'll be validating data, we'll be importing and exporting data, and we'll be automating data by using tools like workflow rules and process builders. All right. And in the end, we'll look into visual representation of data that would be done through reports and dashboards. So this is mostly what we'll be trying to cover in this curriculum. We'll go in depth for each of this particular topic that's mentioned here and definitely learn a lot more than these topics. So let's get started.